Good morning, everyone. This is Bhavyashree from CSITA section. Today, my Tech Talk topic is about augmenting cognition through edge computing. Introduction to augmenting cognition. Augmenting cognition involves enhancing human mental processes with technology. Edge computing offers real time data processing closer to the source. Combining these can transform decision making and operational efficiency, augmenting human cognition with generative AI for informed decision making. What is edge computing? Edge computing processes data locally on devices or nearby servers instead of centralized data centers. It reduces latency and bandwidth use, enabling fast responses. It reduces latency and bandwidth use, enabling faster responses. It is crucial for applications requiring immediate data analysis and action. Here is the photo of edge computing. The role of cognition augmentation. Cognitive augmentation improves memory perception and problem solving skills. It supports human in managing complex information overload. Edge computing acts as a backbone to deliver timely cognitive support. Next slide is about key technologies enabling augmentation. IoT devices collect data at the edge for immediate processing. AI and machine learning analyze data locally for adaptive responses. Wearable sensors provide continuous real time feedback for users. Next slide is about benefits of edge enabled cognitive augmentation. Reduced latency ensures faster decision making in critical situations. Enhanced data privacy by processing sensitive info locally. Increased system reliability with less dependence on centralized cloud infrastructure. The next slide is about applications in healthcare. Wearable devices monitor patient vitals and provide real time alerts. Edge computing supports rapid diagnosis and personalized treatments. Cognitive aids assist healthcare personnel during complex procedures. Applications in industrial operations. Edge devices optimize manufacturing processes with real time data. Augmented reality tools guide workers through complex tasks. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime and operational costs. Military and defense applications. Edge computing enhances battlefield decision making under connective constraints. Augmented reality assists soldiers with situational awareness. Secure low latency data processing improves mission success rates. Next slide is about challenges in implementation. During data security and privacy at the edge remains complex. Managing infrastructure for widespread deployment requires significant investment. Compatibility and interoperability between diverse devices pose integration challenges. The next slide is about ethical and social considerations. Augmentation technologies raise concerns about dependency and autonomy. Privacy issues emerge with continuous data collection and processing. Regulations must evolve to address new vulnerabilities and ethical dilemmas. The next slide is about future tense and edge divine augmentation. Integration for 5G networks will enable faster, more reliable edge processing. Advances in AI will refine real-time cognitive support capabilities. Increasing adoption of autonomous systems will complement human augmentation. The next slide is about the impact on workforce and society. Enhanced cognitive can improve productivity and safety across sectors. It may also necessitate new skills and training for workers. Social Societal acceptance depends on transparency and ethical deployment. The next slide is about case study. Smart cities. Edge computing supports real-time traffic management and emergency responses. Cognitive augmentation helps city officials make better information decisions. Data privacy and security are vital for public trust and safety. Case study. Autonomous vehicles. Vehicles utilize edge computing for immediate processing for sensor data. Augmentation tools assist drivers and improve overall traffic flow. Safety and reliability depends on robust edge infrastructure. The next slide is about integrating human and machine intelligence. Augmentation enhances human decision making with machine insights. Collaboration between human and AI at the edge improves outcomes. Continuous feedback loops refine augmentation tools over time. The next slide is about designing for augmentation. User centered design ensures tools meet human needs effectively. Scalability and adaptability are key for widespread deployment. Security, privacy, and usability must be balanced in the system's architecture. Future research directions. Exploring more advanced AI models for cognitive support, developing standards and protocols for edge device interoperability. Investigating long term impacts of cognitive augmentation on society. Generative AI, the future of AI, exploring the next generation of generative models. So, hence, we come to the conclusion. Edge computing offers informative potential for human cognitive enhancement. Successful implementation requires addressing technical, ethical, and social challenges. The future of augmented cognition will depend on responsible innovation and collaboration. Here is the reference inference speed during an image classification task. We can see the table here with columns of MobileNet, MS, ResNet, MS. Times are per times are per image averaged across 100 random images. Numbers in parentheses are standard deviations. Full experimental details can be found in the source material. MobileNet is a DNN optimized for mobile devices. It has a smaller memory footprint and processes demands than ResNet, but it is less accurate. Hence, we come to the conclusion of this topic. We can revise what are the topics we talk about in this slide. Introduction to augmented cognition. What is edge computing? The role of cognition augmentation. Key technologies enabling augmentation. Benefits of edge enabled cognitive augmentation. Applications in healthcare. Applications in industrial operations. Military and defense applications. Challenges in implementation. Ethical and social considerations. Future trends in edge driven augmentation. The impact on workforce and society. Case study. Smart cities. Case study. Autonomous vehicles. integrating human and machine intelligence, designing for augmentation, future research directions, and the conclusion of this topic is edge computing offers informative potential for human cognition enhancement. Successful implementation requires addressing technical, ethical, and social challenges. The future of augmented cognition will depend on responsible innovation and collaboration. And that's it for the PPT about augmenting cognition through edge computing. Thank you.